So welcome students. So in this question you are given that you have 7 consecutive numbers. So you have 7 consecutive numbers, and out of these 7 consecutive numbers you have taken 2 numbers are chosen, and you are asked to find the probability that the sum of those 2 numbers is divisible by 7. So we know that if you take 7 consecutive numbers, so among these 7 consecutive numbers, one of the number will be a multiple of 7. Another will be a multiple of 7 plus 1. So 7n plus 2, 7n plus 3, 7n plus 4, 7n plus 5 and 7n plus 6. You will have all the numbers of different forms because all the numbers are consecutive. Somewhere you will have a multiple of 7. If you take any 7 consecutive numbers, you will have a multiple of 7 somewhere. And if you have a multiple of 7, you will also have the consecutive number 7n plus 1, 7n plus 2, 7n plus 3, so on up to 7n plus 6. So these are the different numbers that are there in the set of 7 numbers. So now out of these numbers, I have chosen 2 numbers. So in how many ways can I choose 2 numbers out of these 7 numbers? That is 7C 2 ways. That is nothing but 7 into 6 by 2. That is equal to 21 ways. There are 21 different ways in which I can choose. There are 21 different ways in which I can choose 2 numbers out of these 7 numbers. Now out of this, so what are the combinations, what are the pairs for which the sum is divisible by 7? So if you take one number as 7 and you don't have any pair for this such that the sum is divisible by 7, because if you take this number, if you take any other number, so when you add them, you will have 7 times something plus some remainder, you will have some remainder. So you cannot take this number, you cannot pair it with any number such that the sum is divisible by 7. So can you take this number? So if you take this number, you have to take the next number as 7n plus 6, because 7n plus 1 plus 7n plus 6 becomes 7n plus 7. So this is one pairing that you can take. The other pairing is this 7n plus 2 and 7n plus 5, and the other pairing is these 2 numbers. So you can take either these 2 numbers or these 2 numbers or these 2 numbers. Only in this way then sum can be a multiple of 7. So there are only 3 ways in which you can select 2 numbers. So the probability of the event that we are talking is 3 out of 21, that is equal to 1 by 7. Thank you.